People they react for there, say they simply go come Counseellor come. I'm not referring to her that she should really come here. Not be pretty doctor matter, not be cause problem. She know what she has done. And the jealous say she go your platform. What are they jealous for? Before Counseellor come here, I know they do live stream. Before Counseellor come here, they put one particular person say, this person so now your fans. Everybody have right to any platform. If she says she want go on a platform, or she want go anybody platform, I'm not interested in that. But you, Zaddy, I don't know why you not get sense. Because for you to think and say, me Enogie, say make Counseellor come up for your side. May come here. I don't dance. You lack wisdom. You don't have sense. Because if you get sense, you'll not say, and they call her, make she call listen to the message when I want to pass to her. I'm not interested in her coming to this platform. To do what? Bobby, you where they ask, you where they talk to us because I just get it when I say talk on until they vest me. Bobby, what is Counseellor do you when you did Saga at that time? When you are get Saga? What did Counseellor do you when you did Saga at that time? I bet you never face Saga Counseellor. Bobby, when I can't be Counseellor there, when they Bobby no wrong. You never felt beat Counseellor before for no fucking reason. Unless of me will get reason to take beat Counseellor. I have like 4 straight reasons to take beat Counseellor. Bobby, you know beat Counseellor say, Counseellor today do tafia for my platform. Did that come for you? You can't forget myself. In a Counseellor, I want carry that's when I carry person. If you want carry Counseellor, if you want carry Counseellor, I carry Counseellor. I'm not interested in her. But she has been a snitch to me, and she knows what she has done. Not be you, Zaddy. I don't even know whether it's there on platform or you know there on platform or you just pick up and say, our person go there off. Who is Counseellor? What did she want to contribute for year? Who is Counseellor? Like, what did she want to contribute for year? When you have all the time you say Counseellor na snitch, I never believe that. You say that's what she do me, she go see do it to you and Bobby. And I hear they when I see the Saga. I know they carry the cop person out. I have been patient enough. That's why I called her out. But Bobby, you don't Saga Counseellor before. For no fucking reason. Not be now when they go on a platform and I call the time say, what he do Enogie? He do me something. But not be pretty doctor matter. Not be pretty doctor. Not because our quarrel. She has been a snitch. I don't know what I have done to her. That is making her to tarnish the image of me and my wife. I don't know. Now make her come warn her today. But Zaddy, you not get sense. Hello, Wamudawa. What about you? Zaddy, you lack wisdom. You not get sense. Because if you get sense, you not go think and say, I say, make Counseellor come here. Come to come and do what? Do I even know if Counseellor was on your live stream? Do I even know if Counseellor was on your live stream? When did Counseellor want to talk for my live stream? I only told her, Mona go call Counseellor come. Does not mean that she should come here and climb my live stream. Ogo be Counseellor. E Counseellor soon, we have bought Counseellor. Ogo be Counseellor. Do you know what that woman has done? Do you know how she has tarnished my image to people? Do you know how many? Do you know how many? You don't tarnish my image, yeah. And now she offend me. Call her not before climb up. But use that because they talk say, which kind of sense with that one? Best day your platform, you don't get sense. This is your work, so go and learn it well. Tell Mommy Trinity to teach you how to do this live stream because I see no reason why you go pick up and say, and they tell that idiot. That sticky, useless woman when they call herself Counseellor, where they UK, where they Canada, where not they okay. Counseellor, you are a snitch. Counseellor, you are a snitch. You have all that Bobby, me just Saga the Counseellor now. That's what you want to go down. We want to be the Counseellor there. when the counselor day here, when are they playing your own recording, we will not Saga for that side. Hey Bobby, when we can't make counselor there, why are they forget themselves?
Say they call light when they take call counselor, say make counselor.
No, only wait.
You are not fair with the counselor.
Only wait. Wait. People when they watch this live stream. Una hear when me talk say counselor make climb up. Una hear when me talk say make counselor climb up.
And I will say go and call it for me. Don't have normal.
More go call this person call for me. Not me say me can climb up.
Na normal thing for Saga. Go and call her. We are Thierry.
Sarah won't go. No hear you counselor. Have you not done enough? Me tell you say why you come off from my platform. I care. Now you come off from my platform. Now I say person come off from my platform.
Now you not get rest of med. Now you come on. Now you not get rest of med.
Eh?
Now you come on. Now you not get rest of med.
No, Counseellor. Oh, what be you are?
Stay away for Bobby. Stay away for Zanzan. Now then you call the stay now.
Eh?
See your vomit.
No, and if you talk like that, go bless now because they can't go that side. Now make with the Saga round. Now the thing when they do us.
Yes.
Since 2 months now, when we not talk come aside. Now we can't talk. Not if she lets you to go to anybody's platform. I don't fucking care. Not be let she. All my fans can go to anybody's platform. I cannot Saga you because you go to somebody's else platform. God forbid. But don't talk. Don't talk. Don't try it. If I will like Hey Bobby, when the Bobby look at Saga in it.
Come down there.
When the Bobby.
When you are aware now they love.
When the Bobby look at Saga in it. Make a Counseellor no dear platform in me to come and do what in my platform. When you all said he was a snitch. What did you do? I had to my yard way. How is it a snitch or more? And last as I continue to say, oh, that woman is a snitch. A very big snitch. Which kind of nonsense love, fake love, like whenever I inform, say, when I'm not Sagana, Zaddy, when you not get sense. For inside the talk, say, why you tell me come off from my platform, make call you, oh, go do what? Are they mad? No one will storm all this TikTok. Did I cause that this day today? Or Bobby?
If you ever talk, no, give one don't see, no, go call, ask.
Did I call Bobby today, man, on my message to Counseellor?
You call and not get for me. Don't tell one ask before you start ranting.
You they call and make me.
I wanna start the Saga. I wanna Saga. I wanna make come down.
Zaddy.
Zaddy, if you want to Saga me, Saga us and grab rest of men.
You're gonna make me say, I say, come and wanna go call this useless Counseellor for me. Go and call Counseellor. I don't send Counseellor message. I don't send Counseellor message. Now she bring somebody come for me.
Since that day.
Now she bring somebody come for me. At the end of the day,
Jesus.
I help the woman with 1 million naira.
Counseellor, you be devil.
Now she gonna tell you, say, I don't show foundation money. Now you still come. They tell me, say, why they call me again because I don't like all this nonsense. Why which kind of rubbish beyond this one? But when you worry, at the end of the day, we'll come find and say, this person so. Now, they not kidnapping my mouth. That 1 million naira, I collected 700,000 and I gave that girl 200.
No, he say, Papa, they say, where you know your live one? Then you can't say not be sickness money when I give her for.
Not be sickness money. Well, leave 1 million naira for somebody where can't lie to the world. Say that they're scamming, they're kidnapping mama. Everybody call it panic. Everybody call it panic. I collected the money back and put it in our foundation account. He called the talker. Hey, Papa no where? His mama no where? His Papa no where? His mama no where? His Papa no where? His mama no where? I say, okay, take 300K. Was that not what happened? Since that day, Counseellor begin the verse for me. Counseellor, the temple, they go say, well, collect money, say I offend down.
You got that for YouTube.
Say I go put the girl face for YouTube. I go put the girl face for Facebook. Not be TikTok, not be social media, the girl for tell us. Now let that girl will not put her face. All the people who don't help for this platform, Shebu they put their face, will they cut them?
People will say, okay,
will they cut all the people who don't help?
I will not cut them. I don't have anything.
All the people that we have helped will cut small video, we'll go put for Facebook, we'll go put up for YouTube, so that people when still see the help we don't do for them, when we still help other people, go still see and come use and take help. Counseellor say, well, I go put face for TikTok, and I should bring this person come for me. Now this person will call realize say they're not kidnapping mama. Maybe call leave 1 million naira for the girl. I said no, I'm not going to leave 1 million naira for her. Okay, you know they come this platform again, fine and good. Baby. But why are you tarnishing my image? Saying that I'm a bad person. Saying that my wife be bad person. Saying I be this, I be that. Why? Why, Counseellor? Oh, God be you are. Because the Bobby feasted of EIP from my hand. My mommy I don't see trailer. I'm a woman of fear. If I want Saga, the Saga 10, 15. Now let the Saga only me one. Only me one a squad. I don't need anybody to come climb up the contribute before I do my Saga. If I want Saga, now Saga. If I want Saga, now Saga all of them. No level. Monster Saga. Maybe see the way you, Bobby, and decide to go take defend Counseellor from my hand. Monster Saga. I want to turn away. Let the Saga begins. Make I do Counseellor what I do let you know. Wait till they create it today to tomorrow. Let you know. Or if you don't marry where they go Counseellor. Are you stupid? Are you mad? You say you help. Okay. So now the help when you call the help for our platform. Now you want to collect 1 million naira back. Is it 1 million naira that you contributed in our platform? Why if you want to use this guy to collect them back? I don't understand. Because I know they understand the settings. Where go make you say me I leave 1 million naira for that game? Where be say at the end of the day, they're not kidnapping mama. Now the money where they contribute when you start collect back, I don't understand. Now me the contributor for not be the people where they in need of the help who they help. Not be the contributor for. Have I ever begged you outside live video for money? Have I? Have I ever begged you? Say, Counseellor, I need money. Have I ever begged you? So what's your problem? Why no demana go away? The same people who don't first Saga before, you got their platform. I don't care. God they see my mind. If you go another platform, it's not my business. I don't know anybody. You are not tie anybody. God they see my heart. I did not tie anybody in this platform. You can go to anybody's platform you want to go to. That is not my business. Not before so they follow me since I started live video 2016. Not be they follow me now. Some of them they follow me again. Why some say they follow me, they go till today till tomorrow. I say maybe they go call you come. I don't say me come climb up for you. I don't even need you. I already tell you say stay the fuck out away from me and my wife. Because I'm not really guilty I do you. Now you go discuss my matter with E&O. Now you they do fake friendship with me. The videos are on my YouTube. You could not defend yourself. They were laughing at us. I swallowed everything. Even when a lot of my fans told me to be very careful with you. Because I'm not guilty I do you. When you go to discuss my matter with E&O. I don't get what I do you. You said you be my friend. You did discuss my matter. You were so comfortable discussing my matter with E&O. E&O can't swear for you for a year. Everybody was blaming E&O. Not be said that one was still good. The confidence when E&O take call you snitch. Cause your husband. We were like, what's going on? But now I cannot see the reason why the confidence come. Because you did forget yourself where. Then Bobby, they tell me say, you did wait me a Saga, what's it called? Counseellor. A Counseellor no me no okay. A Counseellor Zua no roe Canada ni maboa. Ni maboa na like be. You were not Saga before for no reason. What the Counseellor do you, Bobby? Then the Counseellor way we not be. Counseellor is depressed. Every person, may I confess. Counseellor is depressed. She be like a person not just mass. You know they sleep in the night. May I talk. Me swear I go 2 o'clock as long as they use for they disturb me for no fucking reason. Not before love. Oh no, before I talk and come say I say no, they say the truth. Not before love, but you just want to talk to somebody. Me not get that time. I want sleep. Me Canada and German time not be the same. Me have here 4 o'clock as long as they call me. Where have here? So there's that jobless set of people. The Bob is jobless too. Let the saga begins. Ogwog Belugaya. Zadi Ogu they kill you. Ogwog Boazadi. You don't get sense. Then the third say, man, not go call Counseellor. Can't you look for my number? Not be 2 weeks ago here we did together. Not be two weeks ago here we just did together. We did together. We did eat from Mommy 3D house. Why can't you call me and say, is it true? Say me, Counseellor, come. What is your platform? I don't understand. What is going on there? To Saga single mothers. That's why you don't have the content. Me and they switch anytime. Because then you know they sleep in the net. Bob, you know they sleep in the net. Then when I come now, when as fellow student, when also they sleep too. I don't know why she does not sleep at night. She's sick. You cannot expect me, a married man, I will be on call with you at night to discuss what? Can't you discuss it if they break? You see, I say our spirit not match. Now you come out. You go where you go. You know, I was even happy because when you Scott disturb my life, why you call your name? It is what they talk about me. Yeah, when you tell me with them, even when you tell me when one girl say I toast them, I don't forget that girl that time. That one we here not see correct. That one they Monique. You know what? That guy say you want bring your pre-come outside. At what time? Like sometimes if she call me, I go to imagine say you are married, right? Okay, fine. Which time go to the sleep? Then we have here. Then we have here. Calling me at 11 in the night. To do what? Counseellor was soon. Bobby because Sagami. Bobby come and Saga me. Now one Saga person. I will go with Saga one. What Saga one we go? No matter where I can hallelujah. Who was Saga me for there where I want to say person Saga me? You will wear tight jeans. You will wear pencil jeans. Me one or you tight jeans sir. Oh go buwa. Are you mad? Me one or you tight jeans sir. Me the same person they wear pencil jeans. Oh go beluwa. Wa bi e ba so. E do wa bi e ba so. Mo si enu wa na bia. Wa enu wa u na wa na bi e ba so. Me dey sleep me bi e ba so. No, if you are so. Et quand c'est l'homme va son, when on regarde, why can't I watch you? What is my fucking business? She left, and who cares? I swear to God, nobody even know you can't take this platform of no day. Nobody. No fucking body knows. Nobody know. Wait here, man. Maman dit you go wait here, because you won't have it. But if person find me, I'll come answer you. When you they gossip me with you, I not talk. Maybe my lovers not feel say if we all do something tomorrow, that's why no you just come beat us. I rest because my lovers, not because of you. Counseellor, have I ever gossiped you? Have I ever carried your matter to someone and gossiped you that I call you my friend? Have I? Have I ever? Have I ever? Have I ever? They talk. I made the biggest mistake, but now because of this, my lovers, people that support me, they will think, okay, if we are offend Enogie tomorrow, now that's why you also push us away. That is why I not push it away. I still accepted it and I welcome you back. Now Bobby wants Saga me, I've been a Zaddy. Who wants Saga me? All of them put together for this TikTok. I'm not fair done before you not work. There was a time in this TikTok when all of them team up to Saga me. All of them want to beat all of them. Wait, who wants Saga me now? Who now for this TikTok? Where they from the come? Whatever day, Ogon Yagbeluwa, who are soon wagon. What you come concern me concern you? Tell God say not be my gift and because if you be my gift and people will say that because of the gift, now make you no give the cry. You are a snitch. From the highest order, you are a fucking snitch.
You are a big fool, Bobby. You are a big fool. But because of Counseellor, if you want to go for Counseellor, go for Counseellor. When you are Counseellor, go for Counseellor. Can't you call Enogie? Can't you call Enogie? What did happen? More than just a Counseellor for Saga. Counseellor, you have to Bobby. Go and fuck Counseellor. Go and fuck her.
Wait first.
The threat is that if you sack the Counseellor,
Bobby, when you Saga, wait, Bobby, when you Saga Counseellor, waiting me do you. Then Counseellor was supporting me. When you Saga now, did that come for you? You say it's gonna be jobless set of people. You guys are jobless.
See, they come for you. What do you want for it, Bobby?
Bobby, you cannot do more than a dead rat.
See, they come for you.
No, Bobby, may I come on your touch, Jesus? Bobby. Oh, go, boy. May I come on your touch, Jesus, Bobby.
We are that Saga, my boy, they cancel.
I'm ready to Saga of you. Body Counseellor. Body Zanzan. Boy, you Bobby, all of you.
You don't tell the one Saga, you don't say. We don't tell the one made the Saga, you don't say. They have been planning for long.
Even if everybody talk,
they have been planning for long when they Saga you. Zanzan and Bobby have been planning together to Saga you for long. They plan together. Because this one not to say, why you go say me they come because you come platform. Because you come my platform. I dare you.
Bobby, wait. Jesus. Bobby, you're crazy. Me go on your third this year. The party will go last. They were laughing at you at the comment section. You be like primary 4. Go ahead to Agua. Now you want to talk. You want Saga me. Oh yeah, no more Saga. Oh yeah, let the Saga be this. Tell us, me Waruwa, I don't get time now. Children, they travel. Opportunity for me to do worst. When I tell this, my dear, go and change your human fashion first before you come and talk to me. When I in primary 4.
Don't tell the woman the Saga.
When I go feed, you are very stupid, Bobby. Go be Counseellor. A Counseellor will carry Saga. Counseellor wait for Saga. Go be Counseellor. You are the Zadi Babola Wagbe. Oh, yeah, go Saga me. Saga Noya, or Saga now. Avec tight G squad. Iman Agbo Bene. Bobby. Ewe Lele Mobo. Single mother not better pass you on the Zadi.
Because it's stupid. I will single mother, they friend there. See, the single mother, they open to talk for them.
Single mother not better pass you on the Bobby.
Because it's stupid. I single mother, they open to talk for them. Don't Saga.
Single mother. We're not going to let single mother from January to December. Agbomamagwa, tag jeans, I'm ready for you. Let's go. Peso jeans, I'm ready for you. Let's go. Let the Saga begins. Agwaboa. Counseellor. You no feel me no Saga Counseellor. Oh yeah, wanna call me no Saga Counseellor.
The threat is too much. If you not get.
Oh yeah, maybe call. But don't you make you now? You may the Counseellor. All of them put together, not the fear one of them. That is the reason why I am the 001.
Jesus Christ.
That's the reason why I'm the. If you don't know that, because my wife, now they even talk to the Zaddy.
From platform to platform, I contributing.
Dorothy,
I contributing. I 45 years, you are nothing.
Your mother bear a yellow shirt because of me.
Yellow misty shirt, bloody shirt.
When he first love you, can wait till I'm strong. You want more to bring back things. When my bring me area. All my haters, why are they Bobby? Godfather, go and drive Bobby to Saga me. To Apollo Moki, go and drive Bobby to Saga me. Look, you tell up. Go and drop Bobby to Saga me. All of you. Moi, c'est on a bien la son. Everybody they bien la son. You people mashed. Mais bien la son. I cannot talk all day and you expect me to be with you on call all night. It's not possible. It's not possible.
I would tell you, I would not the lie, not the
yeah, what I want you for?
I was a very Counseellor.
Counseellor, what I want you for?
And I get offended me. Counseellor, you be devil.
Not be unmarried women.
Who did you, Counseellor?
Not be devil. Not be unmarried women. They okay.
Counseellor, that for Ekponisan.
Ogwabwa.
Okponisan.
Not be unmarried women. They okay.
Okponisan.
Oh, Counseillor, me lie. Everybody me lie where. Not be unmarried women. They okay. Counseillor is not okay. She's a depressed married woman.
Una don't see opportunity. Mona gather Sagara.
Oh yeah.
Sagara. Mona Sagara.
Let me see whether the Saga go get it.
Una want to do the Saga for long now. Be planning to Saga. Mona Saga.
Are you stupid? Are you normal? Oh, you get her to spoil my name. I not get her to come warn you. Because I'm going to be you. Because I'm going to be Sarah. Stupid Counseellor. Go and bring the Counseellor certificate. Yarere. Go and bring the Counseellor Kia.
Not bonus.
A Counseellor of not sleeping at night. A Counseellor about the okay. Wa sungu. You have all la jouer with Counseellor. Counseellor go rien bijouer. Moi itamu we na. Il va rien fier comme.
Moi wa 16 ans, wori. Mu dano ki Enogie la wa.
Wo mo ware, ni ya pay. Wo we di sigo ane. Yeah, now your money. Everybody money. You want maybe you want to use everybody money to collect your own money.
Since that day, very well like me.
The same Bobby. When you say you don't go swear for.
Say don't go swear for Bobby.
For no reason. Now you go to play with. Everybody not learn way. Everybody not learn way. Are you stupid?
You don't need it. See what's really for daily. See don't go swear for Bobby.
Oh yeah, I'm about Bobby because you might know Bobby. Bobby the Saga.
See these people.
Bobby Saga at that time.
Bobby.
Now me will give a match say no go. Why you go deactivate your account?
Because you don't go so
no deactivate your account. Come back.
Sarah, you be devil. 45 years we not get shame.
Come back.
44 years we not get shame. Miss Erekia, enter us you too much. Jesus.
Baba Ola wegbe. Mo se o na bi ba so a. Wa ege. Ha. Man to want to sleep with the night. E mo se e ba so. You don't sleep at night. Canada time. Like they use almost 6 hours to the passos. 1 o'clock midnight for here. Maybe they'll do 6 o'clock for that side. What about 4 o'clock in the morning if they want break? So people don't they go night already. So what stops you from sleeping? Can't you sleep? Who are to away with you? You want to be bringing people to your platform. I said no problem. Do it. Where? Now you didn't inform me, Saga they go.
Go they inform me.
You share for me. You share for my wife. You share for me. You share for me.
Give me number. That's what you want to call us arrest. So I like me Saga.
No. Sarah, you got way. Except say me guilty na duju. Ofu. No. Whatever we majesty in here pay. We are kidnapping je. Ina be we you born me. Whatever you agba je ya ogwe. Irrigate a foundation for.
Money don't finish.
But I still help. Okay, as I confident, I say they're not kidnapping Mama. What do you want me to do? Counseellor say no, may I leave 1 million naira for him. I say how? I want to leave 1 million naira for you. How? Is it even making sense? It's not even funny. As how? The girl papa, he gets stroke. The girl papa gets stroke. If now they remember, I still give that girl 300,000. Even my fans were not happy. Now remember, but when you give her 300,000, I say, may he carry go. The girl can return 700K. Since that day, Counseellor say, why me go post her for YouTube? When you post that for YouTube, for waiting you bring call for me.
You never go meet you direct to tell you.
You know me direct. You can't go to meet people.
Person when see go school.
You can't go to meet people.
I'm angry to Enogie.
You can't go to meet people.
That's what I say. Tell her.
You can't go to meet people. Is it not they tell me? Okay. If you know they tell me, no problem. Since you don't want to tell me, go. Soldier go. So that is what I believe in life. If you know they follow me again because I get thing I do you, people will continue to follow me because of the joy when I give people. Awful. Since that time, she did spoil our name. If they tell me, I say, well, no problem. Mona leave her. Did it come too much? When the message counselor today, did I call Bobby's name? Did I call Zaddy? Bobby. Bobby, you are. Zaddy, you are. Zaddy, you kill your mama. You know the year beginning. Oh, yo, but yeah, you are. Eye, Ogun Bela. Where are Ogun Bobby Yak Bela? Oh, yeah, ba. Na Boki. What's the difference between you and a Boki? Tell me, Zaddy. You are a stark illiterate. Do you have content? No, you don't have content. You even a thick mommy 3D content. Single mother. Where is single mother to you? Bobby, what is single mother to you? Hey, single mother, always wear rule say more with Jamia. Now single mother say you don't leave your baby mama for Germany. You have baby mama in Germany. You have baby mama in Germany. Bobby, what makes you wrong? Oh, Bobby, are you mad? Who are you? Where? You tell me, say me no message, Counseellor. Say me message, Counseellor, you come for me. Oh yeah, come for me. Come for me. Zaddy, now God will punish you. You know, I said, one get problem that time. Now my wife said to us, I just rest. Because I don't like problem. But if problem come, no wala. And the message Counseellor, they talk, say, why me go talk, say, make it come off your platform. Zaddy, you are very stupid. Zaddy, you are very stupid. What it be Zaddy? Who give you Zaddy? Oh my, please, they call me Zaddy. You say me they call me Zaddy again. Hey, Zaddy me hang up when in here. Go there. Now that's Zaddy me go the answer now. Go yahoo. If I go along with me, who know you are Zaddy? What's your occupation on this TikTok? Apart from single mother must go. Apart from that one, they know your occupation way. What's your fucking occupation? I know they tolerate nonsense. No matter who you are to me, if you mash my toe twice, I'll fuck you up. That's me. You want my way, but not find my trouble. If you match my toes twice, once is a mistake, twice is not a mistake. You have no right to tell me who to message, who not to message. You want Saga me now they talk. Oh my God, here, Bobby. Oh my God, here. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is that the way they say you don't analyze my topic? You don't ever see me carry your topic on yet, analyze them. You lack content. You lack strength. You not get content. So you go from platform to platform. Anyone they talk, you still carry a call yourself, I call the analyzer. You can't do yourself. Your face will cost more. Are you ready for this saga? Because my saga not be one day. If they reach 3 weeks, 1 month. And no matter how many you be, I go the saga of now. All of that together. I know the saga one person. That's what I'm called O1. He saga one person they reach me beats. Now everybody the saga let me one. That's to tell you the strength I carry. And the saga starts now. Tajins, aka Bobby. Adinia. Tajins. Adi. Now come Sagami. Tajins, come and Sagami. Hey, where Bobby? When you Tajins, all your parties is dead peso. And if you wear that peso jeans, who do you know primary? Ogunogboa. I need to ashamed. Do you have fashion? Who see me and you don't say you be my picking? Yeah, wabole. Wazua. Babo fia kulelu nini Counseellor. Waboria fia kulelu waya A to Z. Wason. Waya me gwa. O ma gbo wakin. If I say me the phone me they look you. Bobby will be you when you tell me say if I wear Bobby away or go be you are. May you bring Saga now, cause Saga me. It decrease with the mad fool. It dey pass down. You want come up for Benjo. You will let the cross. Like a ample. You will let the cross like goose. Bobby, you will let the cross like goose. When I cross, you cross it. When I the pineapple. Oh, go, Baba, all we be wazua. That you na small rat. That one now your own. Now invest me pass me. If I talk to Counseellor, you come for me. Because that one -1. That one not even know what they call Saga. Now see go that just put that one left. Or see another in Monamoria. For you, Zaddy not to call me to confirm, that make you be useless person. You are very. But we did not talk for this matter. Just stay clear away from this issue. Don't just talk. Let me and this idiot set of people where they call themselves men. Mo doan. Thank God not be woman, not be woman Saga. But Counseellor go they collect inside. Because now she draw. Oh, let me make you not go meet them, Bobby and Zaddy. So that if he said they'll support you.
If you support you, come on, he go come for you. Which kind of a threat?
You know where you're now.
A threat, no.
You know where you're now. How much you go fit to sponsor the Saga? Answer that. Not with by Counseellor. The cross Bobby like ample now. Yeah, crossary. Me whether they go different countries, these are not getting mad to go. But you not get a pay. And you they go from one place to another. And you are more, you fling you are in Nigeria. Now Zaddy go use the platform to donate for him because me not go use my platform. They donate $1 for you. Wazua. Okay, the Saga never finish now. The Saga pass like this. The Saga solo now. Saga they pass like this. No, they pass like this. When I'm a mole vinori, all of you know where God go punish your papa. Punish your mama.
48 years.
All of you know where business and me make a best for your mother. All of you know where make sure now me make a best. Counseellor go on bijouer.
Man, they toast and one come out for media. I don't want to be on media again. Only I will wear don't.
But for no police.
You go come back.
Yes, no talk. Husband is washing toilet. But I'm not interested in your stupid husband because that one I cause your depression will make you not sleep for net.
No, yeah.
Why still? Why can't I boy? I wish you come out. You're not going to spell my name because he married. I don't talk about him since then. No, even people will say, where's Counseellor? He go on. I love my husband. All my way making all the sleep for net.
Oh, not another thing when you talk again. You say when they come say the prince they talk about a son he say no get cause say why Counseellor go tell that kind thing? And even when I will tell Bobby sha say what? Go call it DJ.
Well, I'm pretty doctor. We're pretty doctor. Pretty doctor na your mate.
You fit there no.
Zaddy. One only na be amudia nota. Say it happen. Wa sungu. Bobby wa devil wa your body like me. Zaddy, let the Saga go on.
Don't do things like that. If you don't get your Saga right.
Let the Saga go on. What boy Counseellor? Mona send me picture.
The threat is too
I
much.
said the picture already. Now, Mona don't leave me. What by calling me? Because when you are dog, ya. If you are
Now, not say me like those people, they go their platform.
if you are
What did they do today? It's so annoying.
oh go
What did Bobby and Zaddy do today? They not expect
Stupid set of people.
Both of them.
Betrayers.
They don't even see face. They don't even see. They don't drink together. They together.
I tell you, say.
No, Mark. No, because they say me the rest of Saga say go to the
Now
where Saga.
No.
Go feel say Almighty.
Did I call that woman to come to my platform today? No.
I go they disrespect.
Did I even know? Say they that useless boy they call Zaddy. No. Never learn. Don't read with Zaddy platform. Never learn. If I bought where is Zaddy out? Never learn. Never learn. If you away. It's all you. Never learn. You can't say Lord if you ever saw. I must see your egg. Never see your egg. Never le boss there then where Counseellor where Counseellor wari phone 3 o'clock il va son Counseellor wo waati so make you be Counseellor okay waati we when he married woman beze
oga share ya gume oga share ya
beze where do where
maybe Saga the Counseellor ya me Saga ya go dey show the call for me they tell you the Saga also the Saga
do where you are so where you want baby ya mo see mu ye gbegbe o ki kan o Counseellor do where you are so I don't more like me ask am na me cause am Monsieur is it me that cost it na me cause am
how they make you out what's the not make me le me there
Larry Monsieur
make you out
depressed Counseellor where you can fake account baba depressed Counseellor when we push your son you are a depressed Counseellor have you ever you don't fake counsel yourself you said my friend you go to discuss my matter with you we are discuss you don't fake counsel yourself omo akoro you pe ni suwe woman like Counseellor there here now you need counsel
that you said the verse or you again may remind you when shall this gonna be one day still we can say that lady now we dey kind of now where who
yeah so yeah
this
Anita Shaba
he say na he Anita Shaba because he no be she
bring Anita Shaba matter
come for go to Nushe if they pass it no Saga Anita
Shaba you can't talk Anita Shaba pretty daughter where you are you want me where to do no be you cause problem for me and that depressed Counseellor where you are near tawae Gana pretty daughter no you don't owe anybody any fucking explanation you don't owe anybody you say well no Saga Anita Shaba let's go back to that depressed Counseellor do you know fully well may I not talk may I quiet because of this thing I don't want to talk so I not talk useless and stupid Counseellor you are betrayed I don't be here and tired wetin I do yawo you bring person come here help am Perry see me Perry Gordy this is stupid illiterate Counseellor bring person come here help am I help at the end of the day say where me Enogie go collect the money back now say na foundation money now they not kidnap the woman again so make they refund am you say na so the woman husband dey faint now I give her 300 me no say now this no small money when they contribute you want you collect all of them once you want you collect all I can't give her 300k give the girl 300k
they return 700
may return 700 the Bobby where go swear for when he say he swear for Goya the Bobby where still go swear for because they go their platform you not concern me I don't even know if they go there because me and the useless Bobby we be not the quarrel before the reason why me they Saga the yaya Bobby today when they wear pesto jeans you know you pesto jeans Bobby go wear Bobby what's on your pesto jeans usu wagno
no one let this man start Saga again abi my husband start Saga again I don't forgive you now my husband start Saga again I don't forgive you now
Bobby but pesto jeans go pay I'm about where I get peso. Yes. No, but now you want to start on the day 45 years. We are at the same age, mate, Bobby. Or what do you wear? You don't see me wear peso this one. Yeah, boy. You know the fit you. You want to confess in here? You are boy la wegbe. A peso just a fit you wear. Peso just not a fit you at all. It make it look like primary 4. Change your pesto jeans today and attack me later. Go throw away all your jeans. Because person don't call you ask away your jeans. How? Give me your way your jeans. You know go follow here. You don't follow my leg. I don't know now. You don't follow this man. Everyone know what say. Everyone what so. Everyone know say Ogo get boy. Now Bobby go Saga pass. Bobby and Counseellor. Me want see what the Bobby go fit do. That the other small because that one only a bar, but yeah, I don't think if you are a company. Oh, go be a work by your new. Me, I don't know. Say no level for now. No level. As far as me and my day life together, people don't feel go to watch now more than me. That's why I'm 01. Hello. That's why I'm 01. What are you that time? 01 in the fucking chat. But boy. Because they find my trouble. Yeah, you lay what my day. Yes, I'm a bad person. Oh, my day, I'm a bad person. Because a counselor who done bad. Since I decided to see you say me don't carry person climb up. No, now I don't do that. I don't even need anybody to come assist me do saga. No, now stop now. For what saga you are come for you direct. Wabu. That's why they call all my enemies now. Hey, no your colleagues. Oh yeah, go to saga me. To Apollo Moki. Oh yeah, go to saga me. Look antelope. Oh yeah, Lilian. Oh yeah, go to saga me. Why they made me all of them? Oh yeah, why they? One by one of them they collect from her. One by one. Oh yeah, why they? Oh, why not so? Oh yeah, go yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, preach. Oh yeah, wanna draw together. Oh yeah, wanna draw together. King Pedro, you see that day, you were saying this on your platform. They jealous me. Oh, you said they draw to you. Why? Because when they see that you are bigger than them, King Pedro, for them. To come they like ask you say how you take do one when your level they big every day. They come they jealous you, bro. I don't really get what I do these people. I don't really get what I do them. I just be quiet because this woman in question. So we bring this saga, you don't to spoil my name. She brought somebody to my platform to help. The girl that they said that they kidnapped her mother in Edo State. They come here, my brother. Person will bring 1 million naira come and say for foundation, no try. The guy said that they kidnapped her mom, that they are asking for 50 million naira ransom. Now the woman bring her mom, the woman don't want to show face for video call. Now I say, no, counselor, now you bring this person, I don't know this girl before. You have to show face on video call so that the people will know say it's real. Before she come manage, show face. Baba, now that day I still give them the 1 million naira. Last, we can't get cool see me. They not kidnap the woman. As we can't get cool, say they not kidnap the woman. She they call me. He say make a fair report himself to me. Oh, they not kidnap the woman on a scam. Oh, I say na scam. He say yes. I say okay. Then she have to refund the money. This same woman they talk say, I say you be so. Maybe you leave the money for her. I say I know if you leave this money for her. Okay, if Papa no way, which is this girl, Papa. I say, well, the girl they Canada. But I still out of pity because of this same useless woman. I can't still give the girl 300k. I can't tell her, say me, may refund me back 700k. Finish. Since then, she stopped coming to my platform. I no talk. But she go to tell people they go say, that man a bad person. How? I tell me bad person when you please come and come my platform. Because if not be say, oh God, if not be say the thing cast, this counselor for no talk. She would have collected that money from that girl. Maybe go give her the 200k. Counselor would have taken 800k back. Counselor, if I do anything hard, I beg you in the name of God. Counselor, come and disgrace me. Counselor, if I do anything bad, come and disgrace me here and now. If I do anything bad, because he and prick not say anything talk about me. When she dey here.
I know say that Bobby, that one legged Bobby when him leg bend, because the waka go be like say he bend. Now he provoke you to this extent because I see they tell you saying dare you to Saga Counseellor. If you just ignore that idiot, that one will be say you abandon his children. We don't know when his children they Bobby when like don't spoil. Bobby when bend. Now you know they say Lucky Night don't pursue Bobby for him platform. You they say for there again. You go if they don't pursue for that time, but Bobby when they don't reject. Like if we don't ignore her, you see, I know say. If I that one leg, It just provoke you to this thing. You understand me? So
You know that.
Madam Counseellor no fit come this platform. Come tell us say person wey dey Canada. Sorry, no vex. Person wey dey Canada wey be say e dey okay. You cry come show me that say you need money for your parents. Okay, now. The thing come turn out to be scam. Then they come money wey they contribute give the girl. You say me they leave the money with the girl. Auto say waiting now. You understand me? So auto say waiting now. So make they leave money for the girl. The girl not they suffer. She get apartments for Ghana. She even get business. That kind of matter. I suppose even refund the money. See, I join a platform. Say thank you. Where you be say you say support us. Do you understand me? So because that girl no look. It they cry for life. You know saying we go make they help him a papa. Oh. Because everybody now you they help a pa. Now you need to take care for a pa.
Yes, so
because as that get cry rich, if for saying wig, if for say a wig, all those wig, I even see I say she get motor. You know say property, you call the cry because all of them don't see a pa, you know they finish say now you know how they fight for money, they beg you up and down. Okay, they tell you you return money, you know go use your church sense, they toss okay pa. Now your foundation, now your people contribute this money. Take the money back, make one no day. Una don't cause war between two people now. Una don't cause war now. That Bobby we abandon his children, we born for 20 people.
Ask me.
Go up and down.
They talk. Perry, ask me where I sit on that mumu. As she come up for here, she not call this platform again. Me no say that. I don't know where the platform where she can't go. I swear to God who made me.
I see the live video, the girl there, you go meet the girl for there, go they track the guy. I see her. I see where the live video take start. I see her.
Tomorrow, people will say, Enogie too like problem. I have tried to wave this thing. When I come out today, I'm not even for Saga. I can't tell the useless counselor, no go and be here of a better day. I tell the counselor, say, stay the fuck away from me and my wife. Stop telling people that we are bad people. How?
Bad people on what stand? On what stand? I would love her to explain it in her videos. Please, Mama, can you explain on what stand? Okay, you brought a scammer here. If not for you, we wouldn't have contributed to that girl. You know that girl did not refund everybody that contributed to her privately.
They not contribute. Perry, no. Now me
not be those one. People will still send 5K, 2K for her account.
Yes,
she don't refund those people. Then they go her account, go they ask her the money. She they call them, say, send your receipt. Send your receipt. Do you know how rude that girl has been to people? She blocked me on her page. That stupid girl blocked me. When I tell her, say, come give me my money when me contribute. It cost me, block me. Do you understand? Sister Counseellor, I will tell you, I don't have any problem with you, but it don't tell you once I got a pa. Even before matter happened, that voice record where you drag, you know, say me tell you, say, that voice record was so wrong. So you they gossip a pa for a pa back. You know, say me tell you, a pa can't say, he no go Saga, you don't leave you. Even me say, they put fire, say, that's where you do so, it no clear. Do you understand me? So you should have just rested in peace. Make all of us most una Saga a pa, most una drag a pa for Saga.
Because of you now, because of you. Because you don't say the Saga me.
Don't let this man race every time a pa this, he help person. When I go find something to talk, he do this one. Make una leave Enogie alone. Okay, una better pass Enogie. Muna they do now, make they do it on. Muna they do now, make they do it on. Like I don't do. Muna leave ban. If I might tell you something you got to do for this matter, leave Counseellor. No matter how they take force you, they make you vex, just leave Counseellor. May you they go because now what you know they find since Enogie with Saga me, Enogie with Saga me. Even when Aisha be say go give a Goya lion, when me call you, wait till you talk. He say you know fit tell anybody which platform to go. When I tell you, say I dey very angry. And Sister Aisha go give Enogie, go give Goya. You were like, no, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, I can't even fight Aisha now. Where I can't call Aisha, I can't talk for WhatsApp. We can't make peace. I can't say no. I can't say sister, I didn't say you go give Goya. You were like, no, Aisha get right to go anywhere where you want to go. Let's know they fight to now when they fight and what's happen. You don't do now. When I live in your game, no. Topolo monkey go there. You go they sweat for armpits. You go they cuss in your game. That if I look picture where they by DP, Topolo go they sweat for armpits. You go they cuss you. In armpits now so you they sweat or you they smell.
It's a problem, yeah. May I draw?
You know, so it happens the worst from live video. I had to screenshot, use and do DP. You know they bath before you call Saga out for this app. Topolo, may you they bath now. Topolo, may you they bath now. If I might tell you, you know, feel the Saga Bobby because you pass Bobby. You understand me? So Bobby now don't abandon his children for 7 mothers. Bobby don't know where his children dey. As we speak right now, Bobby's children is nowhere to be found. We see they 5 people were born for Bobby. For every country where they go, they find them. We never see them. You understand me? So Epa long live you. You will stay forever. We will watch you forever. Who wants that made that Epa? Epa Domo. Thank you, Epa. Bye bye. Domo Epa.
Where go? Zaddy, now God go punish you. Zaddy, you be small foul. If foul were him, well, Zaddy were that. Ovia who call were him, well, we was say, ni me aware saga. I me aware ye wu we baby, twin. Me aware ye wu we bay, hiri. We was say, Ovia who call were him, well, Ovia who call were him. We was say mimi so. Si como da re bugwe. Ogbuwe wa son, ogbuwe wa van, ogbuwe wa ye yore. We ki lo deni si como da le. Ni we voka ni ro. Si como da responsible ni ro, we wole wa. We sa you go follow the road. Where si como da where the dream folk follow. You better pass single mother. Show me. Is your mother not a single mother, Zaddy? Let's post your mama musi. If your mama not bare for neck. Well, Papa, what you stress, they finish on. What it be the cause of single mothers? Because they do you. Government they favor them. Now they cost pains for their body. Oh, go Zaddy. Oh, you go. Now they cost grace for your body. Since the saga is not be you when me see that day. Nothing changed. Since the saga single mother, your life is bad. You are a drunkard. Let me talk. You are a drunkard. You will. Me waka. Bobby said the task. Which task? Why Bobby which task? We won't have a journey. I tell jeans. May I tell you the truth? I got to look for us. What they tell you since there. Tell jeans. You don't work for Jimmy. Where you for don't work? Tell jeans. Where you for don't work for this Jimmy? Tell jeans. Peso juice or Buewagmo. Godfather. People they call you Godfather. I don't know what I wanted. Whether they know the see road, I don't know. Because on the norm, how you use person where you wear peso juice to do Godfather? May I use opportunity to tell you now. Wagbeo. If I follow Saga, me don't enter Saga now. No dancing again. Hello. Because the dance when I start. Collins not dance is there. Oh, you don't do Collins now which is Godfather. I don't bring Arabu. Arabu yagbewa. Yeah, we are in yaw. We not like person. We not go to behave like person. We not like him. We not go see person come and donate for her. Don't they call Collins for inside when your force is set maybe like Enogie overnight. You cannot be like me. Come and saga me. Mona drain tight jeans because only Bobby no reach me beat. All vino noro area yande do asma agbere area no me yande do asma agbere all vino you are 45 years of age omomoero Osman no dey all vino Osman no dey all vino odoro all vino when you go take born when you go take marry Sharon children now not go let you carry again they don't pursue you story opportunity that they as Saga. What a beautiful way to end in July. Well, we know they say you are Shadow children again. I love my friends' children. My friend. I hear this evening also I love you. Well, you Saga. The rest of you the Saga mama son that they say as I don't reach me and my friend. To problem monkey way beat you black and blue. Now their platform you they go. You can forget yourself. But in all, a Bobby here what we say. For Bobby to talk that stupid word, come up for mass, say me, oh wow. Bobby, where were you? When I carry on for this TikTok. Where were you? But retired jeans. From today, his name is what? Bobby Tat jeans. Yeah, begging, see. No. Hey. Your way. Oh, you better. Hey. Oh, you want it? Hey. See you today. Cool. Your way. Hey. Or on where we go, Father. Hey. 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 Also, I slap here. Yeah, yo. On is I for yeah, yo. Oh, I'm not there. Oh, I'm waiting. Oh, so we will go to do Saga. We'll see they do what they do. Saga not be anything to us again. I'll go in my business for 10 years. Baba, allow me. Ah, Bobby. Wazua. If I bought fear, okay. Now, when we do the Saga now, what does you do me now? If you just talk again, we can Saga you. The small Zadi now, when they look for you, want to use single mother blow your platform. Single mother, oh yeah. If you are a single mother, say, oh yeah. Single mother, oh yeah. Single mother, oh yeah. A single mother, that's small Zadi. You will prick not strong. Zadi, your prick strong. Your prick not the wake. Your prick not the get up way. You get person will tell me that thing, but I don't call it the game name. Your prick strong. Your prick not the get up way. You will not use can't square your prick. I get where you back me. Not be make the pains in you of not making love well. Not be make you start with the Saga single mother. As you Saga single mother, Richard, you where woman beat for Holland. Woman never beat me before. But I send me that video where woman take beat time. You where they beat black and blue. Blood there your ear. You where woman beat. You reach to beat. Don't be as you reach daddy. Who were you na in Oria? What was that be? Who working in the Bobby? Una go still Saga on herself. Now time go take. Now two. Who are the metal? Who are the metal for the TikTok self? As I know that open our fans, people go to watch one and they say my fans. Like open our fans. Oh, go and go more Counseellor. Counseellor when I get one. When the Bobby take boy, nothing. I will not answer them. I will not Counseellor was soon. But boy, fear cool because you everybody say you don't say. You were just on play with me, on friendly. Or friendly, now you tell they play with me. If not, if you're not going to gossip me to you, I forgive you because I know what many people call they look me down. So this person be. But now I'm ready to beat you. Tiebome. Whenever you have a boy, I don't know what you You, as a married woman, you don't sleep at night. Why can't you, Counseellor, look for how you can be able to cure your sickness? Why can't you do it? Because you know soon. No, don't 1 million. Go collect 1 million. If you have going like you, Wazua, Babo Lawegbe, and you never know last you. Counseellor, Obogagwe, well, that for a toilet. You were your husband to wash toilet. For Canada. I live in Canada. I live in Canada. You live in Canada, but you're not there okay. Rented car. I dare you tonight, go put the receipt to buy your car, go bring a car. You would drive rented car. And when I package you, actually, when I Counseellor, where is this talk the school way for do Counseellor? Now you can't need therapy pass for this life. And you be special child. Counseellor, I want to confess, you are a special child. Because if you not be special child, how you go send me Saga now? In the next 2 minutes, you send me Saga again. And Counseellor, most of them get you a bear. Now me say your husband doesn't show you love. Your husband does not show you love. That's the truth. Wait, you. Who wants to never have son? You are always thinking, oh, where is this man? Where is this man? I don't like it, those cyberspace. But now you said they know the Saga where they happen for the cyberspace. Now you said they know the Saga where they happen. Imagine you have your hello, Oriye, call, tell me. Oriye, call. For hello, man, I'll drama. Shut the live stream. But if you want to call me in the afternoon, you know they do the raise the voice like that. Come, you me. Come. Hey. You go to do as the person they press the neck.